All right, so they have the Nest doorbell out there too. So the homeowner's actually out there right now. He's going to show how it sounds inside. Not only will we get a notification on your phone, but listen for when he rings the doorbell and you'll hear what happens.
Someone's at the front door.
So that's kind of nice. You don't have your traditional doorbell. The Google Home talks to you. The really nice thing about all these Nest products is what it ties into. If you have a Google Home, all of it's going to tie into that Google Home. And we'll walk you through what they have here. So they have the Nest lock on every door. I've showed you this in a video before, but we'll go through it again. This all is through the Nest app. You can control it, lock it, unlock it. So when you hear somebody's at the front door, you don't have to get up and go to the front door to let them in. You can go right on your app, hit unlock, and it's going to let them in. Or you can even talk to them too, like we showed you in the last video with the Nest stuff. With the doorbell, you're going to have a microphone on that app, so you're going to get alerted when somebody's at the front door. You can go right in, talk to them, say, "Just a second, we're going to unlock it right now." Unlock the door from your phone, and then they can come in. So that's a really nice feature there. One of the Nest cameras in here too, and so that's just a nice security feature. Is same thing, the Nest app, you go on your phone, you can track the cameras and what's going on. The doorbell has a camera on it too, so they can always see that. So they have some pretty solid security here. They can check that when he's away. Another Nest lock on the front door, and right outside we'll show you the actual doorbell. And there's the doorbell there. So you see, we rang it outside, you heard what it said inside, and that's the camera on it. And the last Nest thing they have in the house is the Nest thermostat. The Nest thermostat is something, as an HVAC company, we obviously love. You can control everything from the app, again, just like all the other Nest products, but it saves you a lot of money. So right now they're not using this. The heat's not on because it's June. But if it was, the winter time, this little green leaf here says that it's in economy mode. That means that they're saving money and it's working at its most economical. This ties into a really efficient boiler downstairs. So between the really efficient boiler and the smart thermostat, which is programmable, they will have a lot of energy savings, and they can always control the temperature right from their phone, regardless of if they're in the house or not. And so that's a really nice feature. So it shows you kind of the Nest side of things as well, the smart home category that more and more homeowners are getting into now.